This video chart presentation of CardioVascular BioTherapeutics, Inc., brought to you by allpenny.stocks.com. This is a pink sheet listed stock trading our ticker CVBT. It's a technical stock to watch this week. You can see it gapped up, gapped right through the 50-day moving average. Kicked this week off. It slid back. It's interesting to note now, though, that it's filled the gap. It's right near a strong support level. So we're going to keep this on radar now the rest of the week and see if it's got another upward push in it. Real strong move through here with the MACD breaking through. See right through here. It's where a large climb happened from 30 cents up to 39 cents. Came sliding back down, briefly slipped through that support level, and now it's making another move upward. You can see MACD still has an upward trend to it in the long term. PPO very similar. Not getting a ton from the ADX, pretty neutral at this position. MFI is also relatively neutral, right around 50. Nice look to the accumulation distribution. A strong uptrend happening. You get a little bit of a different feel from it from the Chaikin money flow. See through here, about 4.5 months, buying pressure's clearly been dominant. But in the nearer term, over about 2 months, you can see it's actually losing a little bit of steam. So that's something to really pay attention to. We don't want to see this break back down through zero. CCI also in a pretty neutral position. Full still. Momentum is coming into the play. Going to be important that it holds above 50. Bullish chart that's holding the upper half of the indicator. You can see the tricks is almost mimicking the MACD and PPO. Of course, you'd be looking for the bullish cross and the break back up through zero. Shows some real strength to the chart. RSI kind of going right along with everything else. See, it had a nice uptrend. Some momentum was coming back into it as the stock gapped up. Pulled back, holding right around neutral. And that's why the stock is going to stay on watch. Pretty neutral indicators. Gap has been filled back down to 29 cents. There's a pretty good support level right there at 28. It is worth noting, it does come all the way down to 26. But if by some chance this comes crashing back down and breaks through 28, it's going to increase the likelihood it's not going to hold 26. Now, that's not to say it won't. It is a bottom support level. But 28 is a stronger support level at this point. So that's the area I'd want to see hold. Also pertinent that the 50-day moving average is cutting right through there. You want to see this price per share get back on top of that 50-day. Because as all these indicators are sitting in a kind of neutral position, if it can push back upward, they'll take on a very bullish look. And similarly, by being at a make or break point, if this breaks back down, these can get pretty ugly and really start going into bearish formation. Now the challenge is it will meet. You can see it does actually pick up a little bit of support right there at 30 cents as well. But it's going to have some resistance at 32 and then get pretty strong there at 33. Was a heavy resistance level back here June, July, and into August. Gapped up, but you can see it pulled promptly right back down. So keep your eye on 33 as a real strong area. Because if it can break through 33, the odds are really increased. It might come up here and challenge 38. That's a pretty substantial area of resistance with the 200-day moving average right there. See, its old high was 39 cents. And it represents a pretty significant upside from where it is today. You can see volume was pretty low. Only traded 44,000 shares yesterday. Now I'd have my eye on the volume bars because I'd want to see those start spiking up. I want to see us get trading 2, 3, 400,000 shares a day. If it's going to come heavy at this 38, that's when I'd want to start seeing some spiking levels up to around 1 million shares. On any sort of pullbacks, I'd want to see volume drying up, let it come back down, establish a new support level at one of those points, and then potentially try and continue an upward trend and hold above that 39-cent mark. A true pink sheet play, but a pretty interesting chart at this point. Keep an eye on volume, keep an eye on those support levels, and we'll see where this chart goes. As always, it's merely my interpretation of the CVBT chart. I'm not a financial consultant and strongly encourage you to do your own proper due diligence and consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Please visit the allpenny.stocks.com website to view the full disclaimer disclosure. Do not base any investment decisions upon any material found on the website and/or video chart. No person employed by Allpenny Stocks is a registered investment advisor or licensed broker-dealer. Thank you for watching and trade smart.